Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to show you how to install the trail sliders from RealTruck on this 2024 Ford Ranger. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a ratchet with a 16mm socket. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off, we are on the passenger side. We're looking up at the rocker panel. Up here is our front tire, so we've got our body mount bolt right here. Follow along the rocker panel. We've got a couple of threaded holes. Now, if there are plugs in these threaded holes, you want to remove those. That way you've got those threaded holes available. Towards the center, we've got two more threaded holes, one here and one perpendicular to the ground. In the very back, we got another set of threaded holes, one down here, another one perpendicular to the ground. Now, this is our trail slider right here. So let me tip this back. Whenever you take a look at this trail slider, all three of these brackets are going to line up to those factory holes. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift it up and we're going to insert our hardware that's provided into those holes. We're only going to put it in a hand tight for right now. And it's probably a good idea to have a second set of hands to help you lift it up to the rocker panel. All right, now that we have everything attached, we're going to go ahead and tighten everything in the proper torquing sequence. Now we need to do the bottom ones first, and the order we're going to do them is rear, front, center, then we can do the top hardware, front, center, rear, in that order. We're using a 16mm, and we're going to tighten them down to 30 to 35 foot-pounds. Now go ahead and repeat the same process for the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts, visit us online, or check out our list of dealers near you.